When we speak about mental health mainly deals with our thinking, feeling, and behaviors. And from the time we are born, through childhood, adulthood, and till old age, we can get stressors in life which can lead to changes in thinking, feeling, and behaviors, which can lead to mental health problems, mental health issues. But unfortunately, in certain places in the world, especially in India, there has been a lack of knowledge. Along with that, there is an associated stigma which is associated with mental health problems. Studies show that these studies are done in the US. They show that if a person has mental health, the loss to the population and to the nation amounts to approximately $200 billion. I'm sure the amount is much more in India. There is also loss with regards to relations, with regards to friends, with regards to community, because the mind maketh the man and the woman. So that's why mental health is extremely important for everyone, not just the person who works, but even people right from their young age to their old age. When we speak of mental health issues, there are certain symptoms which a person has to be aware of, which can signify a mental health issue. These symptoms are eating very little, sleeping very little, or sometimes very much. There can be even a loss of drive, loss of will to do things, feeling sad, having mood swings, having anxiety, having certain thoughts which are very, very persistent, having certain beliefs which are extremely illogical, which others do not believe in, or having thoughts of harm to self or to others. These are all red flags which one should identify and approach a mental health professional. We at this hospital have a range of mental health professionals, right from psychiatrists, clinical psychologists, counselors, who will help the person and guide the person in various ways. One of the ways is counseling, where the person is taught to develop certain skills, coping skills, and to help them become better at dealing with stress. There are also other methods like medications which help a person to recover faster. And for those who are extremely suicidal or homicidal, very, very agitated, they may require inpatient management. Positive mental health helps us to realize our full potential, to cope with the stresses in life, and to work productively. So my advice to people in order to maintain positive mental health is to stay positive, connect with others, get enough sleep, very, very important, avoid addictions, and last but not the least, try to deal with the stress by using good coping styles. If you are unable to do so, we at our hospital are very much willing to help you to achieve positive mental health.